I can't afford to guess anymore. With so many opportunities for lost material and revenue, aggregate site managers need reliable information to make good decisions. That's why Green Arrow Tech has harnessed UAV technology to deliver inventory reports that are accurate, affordable, and available on demand. It all comes back to volume, and by listening to our customers, we have created products designed to provide the information required for three main needs: crush verification, site inventory, and throughput tracking. Green Arrow Tech has the ability to deploy a team on demand to verify the volume produced during a gravel crushing contract, even if it's just for a single pile. As a third party, we provide accurate information for both the site manager and the contractor. We ensure that you never overpay for a contract and know exactly how much gravel you have to work with. Our technology also provides precise inventory volumes for entire sites. By using airborne data collection, we can map multiple stockpiles on an entire site in a half hour, when traditional ground-based collection would take days. This gives site managers the ability to have affordable and accurate information for inventory tracking and audits. Finally, our data technology gives us the ability to offer throughput tracking on sites we revisit. Because we map every inch of your site, we can run cloud comparisons that analyze the current and previous sites and estimate how much gravel has been removed. This can help site managers to verify hauling estimates and monitor for theft or loss. To make the most of our technology, we deliver our reports on our cloud-based data portal and with traditional PDF records. The data portal allows for easy stockpile checks, annotations, and on-site access. To deliver the greatest possible value to our customers, we are committed to three foundational values: accuracy, speed, and affordability. We use survey-grade RTK-equipped drones to build precise 3D models of gravel piles. This allows us to account for every slope and angle to calculate an extremely accurate volume measurement, with an accuracy guarantee within 5%. To meet our customers' need for quick information collection, we utilize our network of trained pilots and can have a team on-site within days. And finally, by letting technology do the hard work for us, we are able to offer our services at a rate that will leave you lots of room in your budget. At Green Arrow Tech, we are using UAV technology to deliver volume measurements that are more accurate and more affordable than ever before. We hope to use our technology to help you increase your site efficiency, decrease product loss, and maximize the value of your gravel site.